Yes, oh, by the way, yes, he's wearing sandals, what the hell? I'm going on my holidays tomorrow, okay, so that's why I've got sandals. Everybody has to have safety boots and, you know, goggles and all. We carry full health and safety. What else have I got to say, Walter? Remind me. You're quite right. So why do you want to be an electrician? And why train with us? Well, why do you want to be an electrician? I suppose if someone was to say to me, what is the one thing that came out of your, you know, I've been doing it a long time. I would say the most valuable thing is autonomy. You know, there's been very rare occasions where people have told me, you know, what to do and what not to do. A handful of occasions where they've said, have you finished yet? Because I say, well, I'll do the job and it takes me as long as it takes me. Never, oh, what time do you call this and all that sort of thing. So it gives you autonomy. Self-employed, if you want to go self-employed, and that's really the most popular at the moment. People say, oh, it must be brilliant being self-employed. You can work when you want, not work when. That's the opposite is true. If you're self-employed, if a customer says, oh, can you be here tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock in the morning? If you say no, then you might have lost the customer. So very often you're you know, it's more strict than being employed. But also contracting, it's not like being employed. It's a bit up and down. We're in a period now since I would say, 2012 maybe. It's been pretty busy all the time. There've been little points, you know, little troughs, if you know, but nothing like we had in the earlier days where you know, February I used to go away. I used to go away for the whole of February because it was so bad, you know, for electrical work. So I just go away abroad for a month. So yeah, it is a worthwhile career. I think so. I've travelled. I've been lucky enough to travel all over the world. You can get that opportunity, and it's a strange old game as well. What you'll do is you'll be doing something, and that will lead you to another discipline, and then you'll do that, and it'll lead you to a different area of the. It's not the same all the time. Why Essex electrical training? Well, our practical training, I'm going to say, is second to none. You will, when you're looking at other training centres or colleges, then they very rarely show you their actual workshop. They'll show you still pictures of people because they won't show you the workshop because it is not up to the standard that ours is. They do not do the range of work that we do. You'll do ladder rack, power track, big armoured. It's just too costly for them. So they won't do it. But we train to a standard where our reputation is pretty good. So we have employers that will come in very often at level 3 level and say, right, who have you got? When are they finishing? Because we want to employ them because our reputation is so good. Yeah, so Essex electrical training, I would say, yeah, train with us, but then again, I would say that, wouldn't I? So we look forward to seeing you. It's a worthwhile career. There is a shortage of electricians in certain areas. The money at the moment is like I've never known it in 48 years. I mean, it's always been, we never talk about the money, all right? We never talk about the money. But it's always been pretty good. But now it's almost ridiculous. But anyway, so give us a call, okay? I can talk to you on the phone, explain the ins and outs, and I think it'd be you know, a move worth making for you. So thanks a lot for listening, and we'll see you soon.